Two more ceiling holes for the spotlights to coincide with those two, which will be linked in daisy chain. As I said before, that one is on a switch that will be in the front of the van, as this one as well, but obviously not on that piece of wood. It'll be on another batten that's going from side to side. And just done another 30 minutes today and got almost to the back doors, bar one panel, which I've got to solder some wires to put this panel on, because these two switchable independent lights being fitted to the ceiling that run in off a separate live compared to the rest of the ceiling lights. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for looking.